So you got grandma's heirloom, or you went to a thrift shop and you have no idea what you've got. You've been searching and searching and searching online and you still can't find what you're looking for. So I can identify those objects. Who am I? I'm Dr. Lori from the History Channel's #1 hit TV show, The Treasure Hunting Phenomenon, The Curse of Oak Island. I'm going to be at the Sugarland Home and Garden Show, and I'm going to be talking about art, antiques, and collectibles. 2 shows each day. You can bring your antiques, art, and thrift store finds, and I'm going to tell you what you've got and what it's really worth. In addition, I'm going to show you what to look for so you can sell it for top dollar. I'm Dr. Lori, and we're going to look at any types of objects you want to bring. You got something too big? Bring a photograph of it. I can appraise from photographs as well. It's free appraisals. As many objects as you want to bring, we're going to talk to you about those particular objects. We'll make sure that we've got them all done for you. And if you've got those things you're saying, you know what, I've had this house full, I want to downsize, or I need some remodeling, we've got all the exhibitors who can help you with your home and remodeling needs too. The Sugarland Home and Garden Show, I'm Dr. Lori from the History Channel. Come on down, bring an object.